Hey everyone, today we have a Rivian SUV in the shop, and apparently in a lot of the Rivian groups it's well known that these plastic molding trim gets stained and also fades. So if you see this, you see like it's got all these dirt stains, and that's not because we didn't clean it. We did actually already clean these, and multiple times using pH plus soap and everything, but it's in there pretty good. Now on the other side, I'm going to show you what we ended up using was an Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja and American Detailer Garage F-Bomb diluted 10:1, and after a couple passes we were able to get it clean again. But today I'm going to show you how ceramic coating can fix the staining and fading portion longer term, and it's going to bring this trim back to life, and hopefully some other Rivian users can get some benefit from that. Okay, so you can see this side's a lot cleaner than the other side after those multiple passes, and I've got a trim specific ceramic coating already prepped on this Auto Fiber Saver applicator. And unfortunately for you, if you're watching this video, you're going to have to go to a professional for this because it's not available to the public. But we're going to place this ceramic coating on, and this is, we warranty this for at least 2 years, and you'll see it kind of brings the life back to the trim, and it will protect it and keep it from getting that damage going forward. This is a great product if you're a Jeep owner. Jeeps are notorious for having that faded trim. Another car that we see a lot of that gets faded trim is the black plastic on Mustangs. They tend to get faded really fast as well after just a couple years, especially here in Texas. So I'm gonna finish coating this and we'll take a look at it. All right, you can see the slightly deeper color on the front door trim versus the back door is still a little faded. I haven't put the coating on there. So it's not gonna make it crazy, shiny, and greasy looking. It's just gonna make it look newer.